Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Pinterest emails for pins inspired by your activity, so you never miss out on ideas that match your interests. This updated method is quick and easy, and it helps you stay connected with fresh content tailored just for you. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture, located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how Pinterest communicates with you, including emails and push notifications. Under Notifications, find the section labeled Pin Picks. Here you'll see an option called Pins, inspired by your recent activity. Tap on this option to access the settings specifically for pins Pinterest thinks you'll love, based on what you've been browsing and saving. To make sure you receive email updates about these pins, simply toggle on the Email option. And that's it. By enabling this setting, Pinterest will send you emails featuring pins inspired by your recent activity, helping you discover new ideas and stay inspired without having to constantly check the app. If you want to customize your Pinterest experience further, you can explore other notification settings in the same menu. But for now, enabling these emails is a great way to keep your feed fresh and relevant. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized Pinterest updates.